السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. عن عثمان بن عفان رضي الله تعالى عنه قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم: خيركم من تعلم القرآن وعلمه. Usman bin Affan radiallahu ta'ala anhu reported that Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, "The best among you who learns the Quran and teaches it." Reported by Abu Dawud. That means who learns the Quran and understand it, he is the best person in the world. So we are right now starting a course how to learn Arabic language in your own language, English and Urdu. So inshallah we are starting a batch very soon. So hurry up and enroll now on WhatsApp number 9967691354.